Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace the battery. Say you're trying to, well, the battery in your key fob, right? So you hit the button to unlock. Now the light is blinking on this one, so the battery's probably not bad, but we're not unlocking the car, so the battery in the car could be bad. So this one, it just has your standard key that flips out, right? So that you would just put in the door and be able to open up the door. But if you really like your, if this isn't, the battery's not charged in here, and you're really a big fan of being able to unlock with the remote, which is nice, you just need to replace the battery in here. Now what you'll do is you flip it over, and this is the cover right here that you're removing that holds the battery. This part stays all intact. That's what holds the key, and so we don't remove that part, but this component here. So we have the access where the key sits to be able to put a screwdriver in and pop this back cover off, and then we have our battery right there. And so with something small, we can get in there to pop that battery out. And so when you need a new battery, this is a CR2032, so you would get a new one of them and be able to put it back in. And we keep the lettering face up. And so when you put the battery in, you want to push it in from the back toward the Kia sign, and this is where the little spring that holds it in, and then that way you push it down toward the front, and then it'll lock in better. And then when you're done that, then you just take your cover, snap that back onto place, and then you would be able to use your key fob to unlock and lock your car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.